Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renel. So today we're going to unbox something special from my favorite luxury brand, Louis Vuitton. This is something that I'm super duper excited for. I actually pre-ordered this before it was launched on their website, and I think I received this last week of April, but I wasn't able to film an unboxing at that time because, some business related stuff. But anyway, here we are now, and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside this box. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, it came in this beautiful limited edition paper bag. Look at this. It's not a traditional paper bag from Louis Vuitton. It's like an ombre design. And I think this was inspired by the sunsets in California. And if I'm not mistaken, this was designed by a graphic designer named Alex Israel. I'm gonna put his Instagram account over here. And look at this bag. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna display this for sure. And can you guess what's inside this? This is not a bag. This is not an SLG. It's not an accessories, but it is a perfume. Guys, look at this box. Oh my gosh. Super nice. This one is the Louis Vuitton On the Beach perfume. I think this is part of the Summer by the Pool collection of Louis Vuitton. The perfumer behind this is Jacques Cavalli. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right, but I'm gonna link it in the description box below, like the ad and everything. So guys, before I open this box, let me show you first what's inside the paper bag or the shopping bag. Of course, it did come with a receipt here. My CA or my SA gave me 2 perfume samples. This one is Lemon Side, and this one's Orage. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Just correct me if I'm wrong, guys. And I will link this as well in the description box if you're planning or if you're interested in getting the full-size bottle. This is just a perfume sample, but I've tried this already. This one is super duper good, especially this one. This Lemon Satay. And this one's super long wearing. Imagine I tried this yesterday or the other day before bedtime, and then when I woke up the next day, it was still there. Super long wearing. I think I'm gonna get this as well. So guys, let's open this beautiful box. Oh my god, di ako makaget over sa ganda ng color. Look guys, oh my gosh, I love this. So let me open it and let me show you what's inside this box. Came in this white canister. Canister ba tawag dito? Ayan, it's just all white. It says Louis Vuitton On the Beach. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! I super love the bottle, you guys. Oh my gosh. I asked Aliyah to engrave it with my initials. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. It says RTS. Stands for Renel Tan Santos. Vero. Can you see it, guys? Super love it. And also guys, one thing that I super love about this is that this bottle is refillable. You can just go to any Louis Vuitton boutique or store and they have like a fountain or like a perfume fountain where you can refill your empty Louis Vuitton bottles. That's super nice. And that's for a lesser price. So meaning you can save a lot. You don't need to buy a full-size bottle after you finish this. You just need to refill it. And by the way guys, Louis Vuitton perfumes are store exclusive perfumes, meaning you can only get them from the store itself, like from Louis Vuitton and not from anywhere else. So you can't find these perfumes at Rustan's or from department stores like SM, Robinsons. You can only get this from Louis Vuitton, Solaire, and Greenbelt. I think Solaire is still closed, so you can get this from Greenbelt. So now guys, let's talk about the keynotes or the notes of this perfume. I have your código. Magbabasa lang ako guys. It says here the keynotes are Japanese yuzu. I think that is a citrus fruit. And neroli from Tunisia. Aromatic herbs and cypress. I'm going to describe how it smells or the scent of this perfume. It's like a freshly peeled pomelo or citrus or lemon. Yeah, It smells like a freshly peeled, yung bagong balat na citrus fruit. It really smells like a real fruit and doesn't smell artificial, doesn't smell synthetic. You know, the opening is super strong, the initial spray is super strong. I can't even smell the neroli, to be honest, but smells super citrusy. Yeah, it's very comparable to my vetiver pamplemousse, but this one is kind of different. Like, it's like citrus, but there's like herbs and you know that green scent. I couldn't really describe how it smells. Like, the citrus scent is super strong. I can smell the herbs as well, but after it dries down, it becomes super mild. Like, now it became mild. I don't know what happened. Like, it was super fast. I'm not kidding, it was super fast. Now it smells clean, like it smells fresh. And guys, by the way, I forgot to show you, there is an LV logo on its cap, and this one is magnetic. There. And also guys, the atomizer or the sprayer is super fine. Like, I don't know if you will be able to see it. Can you see that, guys? Oh my gosh. Everything about this is super nice. So I think that's it for today's very short video or very short unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, you know the drill. Like and subscribe. Click the notification bell as well if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. God bless us all. Bye.